Hi YouTube, it's Jen Penguin here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper aeroplane. My last model was Paper Ninja Star, which kind of failed at the top, but it doesn't matter. I hope you enjoyed it. And now we're going to make the paper aeroplane. So what we need to do is fold this about halfway, like that, and fold the other half the other way, and then fold it again. So fold this part as the middle that you did. And do the same with the other side. And do it again. So that's what it looks like so far. I'll do it again. And it goes all the way this way. Now we should have something that looks a bit like that. Now what we need to do is fold it in half. Increase it over like a proper aeroplane. And now if you've got any excess like that, just cut it off. Okay, just need to come back from the scissors. Oh, I haven't got any, but it doesn't matter about that. I'll do that later. But so far I'll just hold it. And now, there we have it. Paper airplane. Well, I haven't finished yet. I've got to fold it like that. Forget about that. Fold it like this again on the other side. And then there we have another model. Paper airplane. It should look a bit like this. And then, if you twist the end, now watch me test for you. I'm going to aim for you guys. See, there we go. See how quick that went? And now I'm going to do it across the room. I don't think you saw that still. And there we have it, paper airplane. Thanks for watching, comment, rate, subscribe.